If your car's AC keeps losing Freon, there's a good chance you've got a leak. In this video, I'll show you our tried and tested way to confirm. Stick around until the end. I'll also share some alternative methods other shops use to track down even the smallest leaks. Remember, your car's AC system is a closed system. So if it's low on Freon, that means the refrigerant is escaping somewhere, and finding the leak is the only real fix. The easiest way to find the leak is with soapy water and a sponge. Apply the solution directly onto the AC connections and lines while the system is pressurized. If there's a leak, you'll see bubbles forming right where the refrigerant is escaping. If your system is completely out of Freon, you'll need to pressurize it first before the test will work. This method is quick, simple, and works well for spotting leaks under the hood. We also use the submersion test for checking components like the cooling coil, compressor, and condenser. Seal up the part you're testing, add air pressure to it, fill your bucket or sink with water, and dunk it in. If there's a leak, bubbles will show you exactly where it is. This is a tried and tested way to confirm leaks once the part is removed from the car. If you want a quick, inexpensive test, soapy water and submersion are hard to beat. But there are other methods too, like UV dye that glows under a black light, electronic sniffers that detect refrigerant gas, or nitrogen pressure test. Want a full video on those other tools? Let me know in the comments. Now that you know how to find the leak, the next step is fixing it, and there are different ways depending on where it's leaking. We'll cover those in future videos, so stay tuned. We post content like this regularly, so if this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more DIY car tips. It really helps the channel out.